Finding clients for video editing can be a rewarding endeavor if you approach it strategically. Here's a step-by-step guide. Online presence. Create a professional website or portfolio showcasing your video editing work. Include your contact information and services offered. Social media. Utilize platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn to share your edited videos, tutorials, and industry insights. Engage with relevant communities. Freelance platforms. Sign up on freelancing websites like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Create a compelling profile, offer competitive pricing, and seek out projects that match your skills. Networking. Attend industry events, join online forums, and participate in video editing communities. Networking can lead to referrals and collaborations. Cold outreach. Identify potential clients or businesses in need of video editing services. Send them personalized emails introducing your services and offering to discuss how you can meet their needs. Collaborations. Partner with content creators, YouTubers, or businesses who might require your expertise. Collaborative projects can introduce you to new clients. Testimonials and reviews. Encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews and testimonials on your website or social media profiles. Positive feedback builds credibility. Online advertising. Invest in targeted online advertising through platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads. This can help you reach a wider audience. Content marketing. Write blogs or create videos about video editing tips and tricks. Share these resources on your website and social media to establish yourself as an expert. Referrals. Ask your current clients for referrals. Satisfied clients are often happy to recommend your services to others. Professional organizations. Join video editing associations and organizations. These groups often have job boards and networking opportunities. Local businesses. Approach local businesses that might benefit from video marketing, such as restaurants, real estate agencies, or event planners.